What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, we do have an update on Juno, which has gone through a major increase in value, guys. Over 200% up in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just over 27 cents. So it did pump up from around 9 cents earlier this morning and late last night, all the way up to 40 cents about an hour or two ago, before it slightly took a little bit of a dip right now. So we're going to be going through what is next for Juno, how likely is it likely to pump over the coming days, weeks, and for the rest of the year, and essentially looking at its prediction going into 2025, and mainly looking at, is it time to buy right now? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, the crypto has literally gone from the bottom level of the red zone all the way up to the mid level, which is quite a major increase. However, it has not hit the green candles or the green zone anywhere near it as of yet. So yes, it is quite realistic. However, there is a chance that the crypto is slightly overvalued and maybe going for a price correction, but we'll go through that very shortly. For now, let me hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Juno, which is here in purple at 9 cents. However, the crypto is trading at near about 3 times this average value here at 27 cents. So it is performing very well, and that is another reason as to why the crypto may be overvalued, due to the huge difference in value. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we are looking a little bit skeptical. We have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is predicted from Juno over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today. However, due to the major pump that's taking place, I am expecting Juno to be dropping back down in value. Below 20 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. However, in between that time, over the next couple of hours, it is likely to hit more green candles, heading over the 40 cents target, before it slowly starts to hit red candles later on this afternoon, evening, dropping it back down to 20 cents or just below 20 cents, going for a price correction is what my predictions are at the moment. Moving on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days, what can we see here? So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week, very early next week, as you guys can see, the blue and the orange line are looking very bullish, heading towards a positive direction. And yes, they are looking quite steep as well. So this is not as realistic as it seems. Only reason they're looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace, which is not the case, guys. So essentially, over the next 7 to 8 days, I'm expecting Juno to be dropping down in value a little bit more than where it is at the moment. So dropping down to around 15 cents in value is where I'm expecting Juno to be trading at by the end of this week. So more red days are expected from the crypto. Again, this is part of the price correction that's likely to take place due to the major pump that's taken place. So yes, guys, do expect more red candles. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, this is not realistic at all. As you guys can see, the blue and the orange line are both heading upwards towards the bullish direction, looking very steep. Exact same reason as the previous chart, this is not realistic. So essentially, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, towards the end of this year, early next year, I'm not expecting Juno to break out or go for a major increase in value. In fact, I'm expecting it to drop down to where it was trading at before. Around the 8 to 10 cents value is where I'm expecting it to drop down to over the coming weeks. This may not be something that you guys expected, or some of you guys expected. You may have thought, it's going to pump up to the dollar mark, so on and so on, as I've seen a lot of people commenting online saying Juno to the dollar mark by the end of this week, guys, which is not realistic at all, especially that it's already done a 200% increase. I'm not expecting any major breakouts from the crypto at the moment. In fact, I'm expecting it to go for a price correction and dip down a little bit more than where it is at the moment. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, even though it has not broken out from any resistance level and has not even gone near the resistance level of the green zone, it is still in the red zone. It is likely to dip back down into the bottom half of the red zone is what I'm expecting over the coming hours, days and weeks as well. So onto the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone absolutely crazy, over 3,200% up in the last 24 hours. Again, we all know why. Is because of the major pump that's taken place. A lot more people are trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view. However, at the moment, this is not a crypto that I would be investing into, especially after the major pump that's taken place. However, if I did invest into it a while back and I was on a profit, then yes, there may be a chance of me selling it. But even of you guys being on a profit is pretty much low, because even then it did crash quite a bit over the last year. It is still down 47%. That is after the 200% increase, guys. So it is down quite a bit. And again, I'm not investing into the crypto and I'm not expecting it to hit the dollar mark. Again, I'm not expecting it to head past the 50 cents target even during the pump that's taking place right now. In fact, I'm expecting it to drop back down. Let me know in the comment section down below how high you guys are expecting Juno to go in 2024, guys, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. As I can see from the comments here on the side, a lot of people are getting excited with the crypto, which I would personally keep away from. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on the crypto, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.